In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a pin button grayed out in Windows 11. So if you're trying to remove your pin and you realize that it's grayed out, follow these steps in order to remove it without no problem. Just simply right click on the Windows 11 taskbar here where you have the Windows icon and go into settings. Then on the left side from here, click on account. And here you want to scroll down and you will find signing options. Here you'll find pin, and if you click on it, this is how you will see that it's grayed out. Now, the trick to this is that you want to go down to where it says additional settings and just turn off this option right here. No, you will not see any difference right here. All you have to do is just click again the account on the left side and follow the same steps, and it goes right back into your sign in options. And again, expand pin and you will see that the option now appears for you to remove it. And that's it. For some reason, it doesn't work immediately once you turn off the feature, and you just need to do like a refresh, go back to account, come back here on the sign options to have this show up effectively and working. So that's it. You can go ahead and remove it now. Very easy, very simple.